This is the start of a hurricane, which is usually a regular day here in Florida. So we're not too pressed. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Whoa. I'm standing in my front door. All the trees are swaying and rocking. Woo. Had some leaves fall down from my coconut tree, but not too much damage. Not too much. Coconut tree. My rose fell. I got food growing everywhere, all in the flower pots. Thank God my garden made it. I turned all the crates over and put everything down in there. Got a few things leaning, but I'm not gonna flip them over yet until we're sure. Got these leaning. I gotta sure up some of this stuff. Got a little harvest, a pepper and 2 okra. Kind of beat up my garlic and onion kind of good, but it's survived. Kind of beat up my mustards. The day before our little mini storm, I cropped them. Pineapples, of course, are fine. Everything survived. Turned everything over. A couple of plants were leaning. Fixed those. This took a beating. My arbor there. This plant took a little beating. My lemon tree. This is leaning a little bit. I'm gonna come tomorrow and stake everything. Not so bad, not so bad. A little sugar snaps. And as you can see, the wind is still blowing. The thing is still blowing, so not quite out of the woods yet. Sun is out. That's a good thing. But you can tell by the little spinning things, the wind is a blowing. But that rain helped. Got a lot of things perking up. Strawberries, looking good. Okra, growing.